You know what I'm starting this weathercast with? Last one you had it, you nailed it because you cheated. You knew I was talking about the record hail in North Texas.
Winter forecast.
Yeah, I'm starting with no. I'm talking about the moisture in the air,
okay.
The humidity and the dew point temperatures. Because I talk about the dew points, which are the true measure of moisture in the air. Because the humidity, it's relative humidity, and it's relative to what?
You.
No, yes. It's relative to the air temperature. As the air temperature goes up, the humidity has these huge swings, but the dew point's a constant. Yeah. So it's really the better way to measure the moisture content and how we feel, okay? So take a look at this right here. So remember the high humidity we had, a week and a half ago? I mean, it was just...
You mean while Izzy was in the Bahamas?
I certainly was in the Bahamas.
Remember.
That's right. So June 15th started a stretch of our extreme humidity. It was just stifling. Remember that? From the 15th through the 21st of June, we had dew point temperatures of 76 to 79 degrees with records. The highest dew point temperatures ever recorded here in Dallas-Fort Worth happened on June 15th and June 21st when we hit 80 degrees. Remember that? I mean, we had dew point temperatures 80 degrees, and then we had heat index values like 120, 122. I think one day we touched 123 in one location here in Dallas-Fort Worth in North Texas. And then it got a little bit better last week. The past 7 days, we've had dew point temperatures of 73 to 77 degrees, including today's at 73. So although we hit 101 today, it didn't feel as horrible as it did, during that stretch of 7 days, a week and a half ago. I say that because things will continue to get better. It's going to stay hot. We're going to have highs in the upper 90s beginning Saturday and then right through next week, middle to upper 90s, but at least the dew point temperatures are going to drop into the 60s. It's still going to be sticky. 63, 66, 68 degree dew point, 67 degree dew point on Monday. 4th of July, we'll have a dew point temperature of 68 degrees. At least it's not in the upper 70s, which is truly like where Cynthia was in the Bahamas. It's truly tropical when you have an air mass like that. We don't have that in our forecast in the foreseeable future, so hopefully we don't have that again for a long time. By the way, that record time, we hit the 80 degree dew point temperature. It happened twice during that 7-day stretch. It's only happened 5 other times, and records go all the way back to 1898. So yeah, that's the most humid, the highest dew point temperatures ever recorded. Right now, Dallas Baptist, it's 99. It's 97 in Dallas, feels like 102. We hit 101 today, not a record. The record, once again, is from that horrible summer in 1980, we hit 108. 1980 is a summer of record. 2011, summer of record as far as heat goes. Then you go back into the 1930s and 1950s. So they happen, but fortunately they're spread out a little bit. So hot today, but not a record. The normal high today is 94. Right now we're at 99 with a south wind at 13. Pollen, we have grass, we have fungus. Grass is moderate, fungus is low. Lee, how much time do I have? 30 seconds, folks. Clear skies across our part of the state, and that's what's in my forecast for tonight. Tonight, we drop to 80 for the low, breezy, warm, and muggy tonight. During the day tomorrow, we hit 100, a breezy, hot, and humid day. And remember, those dew points do drop into the 60s tomorrow. We hit 97 Saturday, 90, 98 on Sunday. So the dew point temperatures are a lot more comfortable. And then a little bit of rain comes into play. No washout at any one point. 20% of us will see rain, which means 80% of us won't. And on the 4th of July, 97 degrees with 20% chance of rain and a breezy south wind, 10 to 15, which will blow the smoke away from the fireworks.
July 4th.
You look really good in burgundy.
So this is the deal. I've actually got some their olive pants on. We're doing Christmas in the summertime.
Yeah.
We're just flipping it, all right? All these 100-degree days, we're just going to flip it. Also, half my clothes are at the tailor's right now.
I've been there.
Could be one of the two. We don't know.